there, friends. This is Brainy Brian, or Mr. Brian today. I'm not doing too much science today. I do want to help you guys out, have fun at home. We're going to make a paper airplane. First, you have to decorate your paper. I did a little design here. Once you've gotten that done, you're going to take it and you're going to fold your paper the long way. Like you're folding like a hot dog bun. Go through that. Fold it down. So, try to crease the bottom as much as you can. There you go. Got that. Folds, opens up, closes. Alright. Take the crease, keep it on the bottom, put down. I'll show you here. Take one of the corners and fold it to the bottom and make it even with the bottom. There you go. That, and then you flip it over. Take the same side that's already been folded, same corner on the other side, and you're going to fold that down. Make it look like a little simple plane. That's the second step, third step. And then you're going to take it again. Take the already folded part that we had, and then fold it down again to the bottom. And then crease it again. And flip it over, and take that same side again and bring it down to match the other side. It's all about trying to match it, and folding it, and creasing it down. There we go. Almost there. Gonna do it one more time. Take it, fold it down to the bottom. Good crease there. Flip it over. Down to the bottom again. And there we go. Now we should have it. Let's see here. Open it up. Fold the bottom parts. See how the bottom pieces are there. You're going to hold that. That's what you're going to throw it. You're going to hold that. You're going to throw it. Here's the top part. The designs came out pretty cool. I like it. And then we're going to see. Hold it down. Hold like in the middle towards the front. Couple fingers right there. 1, 2 fingers. We're going to see if it flies. Ooh, almost fell. And whee! And there you go. You have an airplane. You can do it with any different type of paper, any size. Some will fly, some won't. I made a little baby airplane earlier. Doesn't fly too well, but fun to make still. I'd love to see your guys' attempts. Maybe you can make an even bigger one or use a different material other than just paper. Maybe try cardboard or newspaper or anything else. All right, that's it. See you guys later. Bye-bye.